Hey, what's up, guys? Today's Monday. I'm in the shop working on some video stuff. Man, from this angle, it looks like my shop is huge, but it's not. It's like a 20 by 20, 19 by 19. But look, I mean, it looks like all this space behind me is just open. Well, it kind of is, but that's a mock-up of where the workbench is going to be if you haven't seen the past videos I put out. So yeah, it looks good. Let me show you. Let me bring you over here. I got the clamp rack moved to that wall. It was there. I got to move this over here. And I'm still working on getting all the storage solutions fixed up. I got all the plywood picked up for the bank of drawers. It's going to be over here where the drill charging station is. I'm going to put the drill charging station right here. And the kids' workbench is going to be here. So that's going to be cool. But really, I'm just kind of shuffling all this stuff around right now. So, you know, going through a whole shop rearrangement or just a total overhaul or whatever you want to call it, you're just going to have things laying around and just out of place for a little while till you get everything situated. So I'm glad I got the clamp rack moved. That feels good over there. I'm not cramped at all. The drill charging station, I think, will be in a centralized location more so than it is now. So it'll be easier to access, and so that'll give me some different. That's a different feel in the shop, so I have to get used to that. But I think it's going to work out pretty good because that whole corner is going to be a bank of drawers, which will provide a lot of storage for a lot of this stuff and organization, which is I'm big on organization, as you guys know. So I'm looking forward to that. But that's what I'm trying to work on this week, are those bank of drawers, to get those done. So yeah, I'm just trying to work hard at that. I might have a short week, so I might be a day or two behind, or I might just decide in the middle of the week to just shift to an easier project to give me more time on the other. So anyway, I wanted to also let you guys know who won. Is this light too bright? Who won the prizes in the giveaway? Because I had a lot of questions about who won, you know, but they've all been contacted. So if you didn't get contacted, sorry, but you didn't win anything. But congratulations to the winner. David C. was the grand prize winner. Stephen S. and Judd M. won the all-plan bundles. So there's an all-plan bundle on my site and Jay's site where you can get like a 35% discount or something. These two guys won those for free. Let's see, Cody M. won Jay's Curly Hickory gift box. Jim B. won my Stone & Sons mallet. There were 5 winners: Chrissy, Lisa A., Flavio B., Tony M., and Tim T. won the sticker packs. So congratulations to all the winners. I will tell you this fun fact, and I don't think Jay I told Jay, but I don't think he mentioned it anywhere. But I went through 4 or 5 people before I actually found someone who wanted to pick the dartboard up. So David C. was actually the 5th or 6th person that the random generator chose. That, you know, when you entered into the giveaway, there was a question: do you want to enter in for the grand prize dartboard? It's either yes, I do, or no, I have no way to pick it up. I don't want it. And there were like 4 or 5 no's in a row until I got to David C. So David, if you're watching, congratulations. But there were like 4 or 5 ahead of you that actually won that didn't want it. So that's why the Gleam app was good about that, because you can just pick new winner. You can just hit the button and it'll randomize, and somebody new will pop up. So he's actually from Illinois, so he's going to be traveling down from Illinois. Can't wait. It's going to be a good time meeting up with him. And yeah, so it's going to be cool. All right, guys. If I've got any other updates this week, I'm sure I will. I'm gonna try to do these when I have some more substance. But if I don't have anything that day, those are the days I don't upload. So if you don't see a video from me on this channel, it's because I really didn't have anything that was real interesting. But oh, by the way, I want to plug the podcast, or the audio show. Put out a new audio episode last Thursday or Friday. which I thought it turned out pretty good. I'm getting the hang of this. I'm liking the audio show, the podcast format. It gives me a chance to just talk and, throw some things out there and, talk with the community, that kind of thing. So if you haven't had a chance to hear that episode, go over to stoneandsons.net/audio. You can find the player there. It's got all the episodes there, and you can find the latest one there. Or you can subscribe to the audio show, the podcast, on iTunes or Google Play. And I would encourage you to do that if you would. I would appreciate it. Leave me a review, an honest review, so I can, improve it if I need to, or, I can, if it's not any good, then I'll know that I'm wasting my time. But anyhow, I appreciate you guys, and I value what you think and your input. So leave me a comment down below if you did listen to the podcast or the audio show. Let me know what you thought about it. So I want to also mention once more that if you would go download the Anchor app, anchor.fm app, that's the website, but you can just go to on your smartphone, go to the App Store and download Anchor, and then search for Stone and Sons audio show, or Sean Stone, or Stone and Sons, and favorite my station, and leave me a call in. Hit the little plus button, call into the show. You're actually not calling in like live. You're going to leave a voicemail with a question. I'll insert that into the show and answer it, and we'll talk about it. So if you would do that, I would appreciate it. I'd like to have one of those every show. So if all of you guys just did it one time, I would have over 2,000 call-ins to do, which would make my job a lot easier because I've got them waiting for me to use. So anyway, I'm going to challenge every one of you to go call in and leave me a voicemail with a woodworking question. Or it doesn't have to be a woodworking question. It can just relate to the business side of things. I don't want to talk about what kind of toothpaste I use, but if you've got a woodworking question or a business question or a shop question, those kinds of things, feel free to ask, and I'll throw them into the show as they come in. All right, guys, I appreciate you, and we'll see you later.